Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by restarting the machine and immediately invoking the boot menu. Press Shift on BIOS systems or ESC on many UEFI setups. Do this to halt automatic boot and show Grub choices so you can act. If Grub still won't appear, reboot into firmware to confirm the boot device order, and that secure boot won't block custom kernels. Once the menu appears, note the default entry and prepare credentials or a live USB for edits or repairs. This saves time when you need to modify entries. Once Grub is visible, select the kernel entry you want and press E to edit its boot commands. This reveals the Linux and initted lines you'll change. Carefully adjust kernel parameters to troubleshoot, append single for rescue mode or NA-mode set for graphics issues, and verify the root device UUID matches /etc/fstab to avoid mounting the wrong partition. After editing, boot the modified entry with Ctrl plus X or F10 to test without saving. If your temporary edits boot correctly, make them permanent. Boot into the recovered system and run sudo update grub, or if grub is missing, reinstall with grub install followed by update grub. For broken bootloaders, boot a live USB, mount and root into the root file system, then reinstall grub to the correct disk device to restore MBR or EFI entries. Finally, reboot to verify. If it still fails, check that /boot has enough space. The correct partition flags are set, and secure boot isn't blocking unsigned modules. That tip solves many stubborn failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.